Kash Patel, a Donald Trump ally who worked in his Justice Department, said on Tuesday that if the former president is elected again, his administration will retaliate against people in the media, criminally or civilly. Patel, who was also Chief of Staff in the Defense Department and held a role on the National Security Council, made the comment on Steve Bannon's podcast. He said that in a second Trump administration, we will go out and find the conspirators not just in government but in the media over the 2020 election, which Trump lost to Democrat Joe Biden. We will go out and find the conspirators not just in government but in the media, Patel said. Yes, we are going to come after the people in the media who lied about American citizens, who helped Joe Biden rig presidential elections. We are going to come after you, whether it's criminally or civilly. We'll figure that out. He emphasized the intention to pursue legal action, either criminally or civilly, using the Constitution to address alleged crimes. We are actually going to use the Constitution to prosecute them for crimes they said we have always been guilty of, but never have. Patel, who served as Trump's counter-terrorism advisor on the National Security Council and Chief of Staff to the Acting Secretary of Defense, made these remarks during a podcast hosted by Stephen K. Bannon, Trump's former strategist, discussing the possibility of a second Trump presidency in 2025. Patel rose from being a relatively unknown Capitol Hill staffer in the early days of the Trump administration to becoming one of Trump's most trusted aides and influential national security officials. Despite facing opposition to a proposed appointment as Deputy Director of the CIA or the FBI, Patel remained closely associated with Trump even after leaving the government. Patel served as the former Chief of Staff to Acting Secretary of Defense Christopher Miller and is responsible for leading the Secretary's mission at the department. He also served as a Deputy Assistant to the President and Senior Director for Counterterrorism at the National Security Council. Before joining the NSC, he served as the National Security Advisor and Senior Counsel for the House Permanent Select Committee on Intelligence. Since leaving government service, Patel has leveraged his Trump insider status, engaging in activities such as selling merchandise online and writing a children's book. Notably, he has filed defamation suits against media outlets and established a fundraising entity to fight the deep state and support lawsuits on behalf of individuals he claims have been defamed by the fake news mafia. Patel was a guest at Trump's kickoff for his 2024 presidential campaign last year at his Mar-a-Lago resort in Florida. In June, he attended Trump's speech at his Bedminster resort following the former president's appearance in court on federal charges he mishandled classified documents.